In the heart of the tumultuous 1970s, a new musical revolution was brewing in the bustling streets of London. Disillusioned by the cultural and political landscape, a group of young musicians sought to challenge the status quo, giving birth to a movement that would transform the music industry forever. This was the era of punk rock, a raw and defiant sound that echoed the disenchantment of a generation. The seeds of this rebellion were sown in the grimy clubs of London's underground scene, where bands like the Sex Pistols and The Clash found their roots. The Sex Pistols, led by the enigmatic Johnny Rotten, were the epitome of punk's anti-establishment ethos. Their songs, filled with biting sarcasm and biting social commentary, were a stark contrast to the polished pop music of the time. Their single God Save the Queen, released on the Queen's Silver Jubilee, was a deliberate provocation, a middle finger to the monarchy and the conservative values it represented. The Clash, on the other hand, offered a more political and socially aware perspective. Their music was a reflection of the struggles faced by working-class youth, their lyrics a call to arms for social change. Songs like London Calling and The Guns of Brixton resonated deeply with the disaffected youth, giving voice to their frustration and anger. The punk rock movement was not just about music. It was a cultural and political statement, a cry for change. It was a rejection of the polished, commercialized music of the mainstream, and a call for authenticity and rebellion. Punk rock represented a generation's disillusionment with the status quo, and its music became a powerful tool for expression and protest. The punk rock movement of the 1970s had a profound impact on the music industry. It paved the way for other genres like heavy metal and alternative rock, and its influence can still be felt today. The punk ethos of DIY, do-it-yourself, has become a mantra for countless musicians, inspiring them to create their own music on their own terms. The punk rock movement was a reflection of its time, a testament to the power of music as a form of rebellion and a call for change. It was a movement that shook the foundations of the music industry and left an indelible mark on popular culture. And while the punk rock era may have ended, its spirit lives on, inspiring generations of musicians to challenge the status quo and create their own music, their own way.